In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up form in Klaviyo. Start on your Klaviyo dashboard. From here, head to the website section, then open Sign Up Forms. This is where all your forms live, and it's the hub for creating new ones. Click Create Form to get started. You'll land in the template browser, which is helpful if you want to move quickly with a professionally designed layout. Use the search bar if you have a theme in mind, or browse the options. Next, choose the form style and set it to pop-up, since that's what we're building. You can also explore template type to narrow down designs based on common goals, like sales, announcements, or list growth. If you're running a seasonal campaign, open the Seasons and Holidays category and select a template that matches your brand and timing. Click into the one you like to preview it, then continue. Give your form a clear internal name so you can find it later. Then choose the email subscriber list where new signups should be added. This ensures your pop-up sends contacts to the right list for future campaigns and flows. Click Create Form and you'll enter the visual editor. Begin with styles. This is where you set the look and feel: background colors, images, fonts, button styles, and spacing. Keep readability in mind. Strong contrast between text and background improves accessibility and performance. If you're using a logo or brand colors, add them here for consistency. Next, open targeting and behavior. Decide where and when the pop-up should appear. You can show it on all pages or only specific URLs. Set a delay so it appears after a visitor has been on the page for a moment. Use scroll-based triggers or enable exit intent to catch visitors before they leave. Frequency settings help avoid overexposure by limiting how often someone sees the form, and you can hide it from existing subscribers to keep the experience relevant. Now, build out the content with ad blocks and elements. Drag in text, image, and form fields. At minimum, collect email. You can optionally include first name or a checkbox for consent if you need it. Keep the copy concise and benefit-driven, and make your call to action button clear. You can adjust placeholders, make fields required, and edit the success message so people know what happens next. When everything looks and behaves the way you want, click Publish. If your Klaviyo site tracking snippet is already installed, the pop-up will begin showing based on your targeting rules. Give it a quick test on your site and on mobile to confirm the timing, layout, and list assignment are working as expected. That's it. You've created a high-converting Klaviyo pop-up form.